Hi guys, in this video we're going to look how you can create automated emails from Notion with the help of Gmail. So it's really easy and it's really cool. It's just important to say you need a Notion paid plan to use those automations. So yeah, to be honest, I never had a Notion paid plan, but since they have the automations, I got it and it's super useful. So how does it work? Here we have a database. I just call it automated emails. We have the customer name, customer ID, project name, their status, their email, and an onboarding survey questionnaire I want to send them. So if I change the status to done, an email gets sent to this customer email automatically. So this is the email. What the email is doing, it takes the name of the project, so source code development, as you can see here, and then project onboarding survey, sends an email and sends them those survey they then can fill out. It's so cool. It's one of the coolest features of Notion ever. So how does it work? As mentioned before, it's quite easy. You click on the little blue flash, the automation button, and then you click on new automation in your case, and you click on email automation. And what is the trigger? The trigger is the status is set to complete, and then send email from. If you're doing this the first time, you have to connect Notion to your Gmail account and allow Notion to access your Gmail account. At the moment, it's only possible with Gmail. But it's quite easy. Just allow them to use it and then you can use it. To email in this case is this column we called email. And the subject is the triggers page project name. The project name is this column. And then we added some plain text, project onboarding survey, and then the trigger page customer name, which is the customer. Thanks for choosing our service, blah, blah, blah. Then we send them the onboarding questionnaire, which is also liquid from the database from this column. And some more content. Kind regards whatsoever. And that's it. And that's how you create an email automation from Notion. From now on, whenever the status is changed to done, an email will send to this email address with the survey and the text you prepared for them. And this is how this email looks like in our case. Thank you so much. I hope this video helped you. If you did not sign up for Notion Premium yet, because you need it in this case, I put a link down below where you can sign up. It's an affiliate link,